For today's video is how to register to GigaLife application. Ito po guys is for smart and TNT subscribers. So it means kung ang inyong SIM card ay smart or TNT ay pwede po kayo mag-register dito sa GigaLife application. And ito po guys ay downloadable sa Google Play Store, App Store, and Huawei application. So ang kagandahan po dito ay kung bibili po tayo ng load and promos ay mas mapapadali dahil pwede tayo bumili using GCash, Maya, and debit or credit card. Okay, kung ikaw po ay interesado, tumutok ka lang po dito sa channel and please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, kung ikaw po ay bago lang dito sa channel at hilig mo ang ganitong mga online tutorials and online tips, pakiclick ang subscribe button and the notification bell. At nang sa ganoon ay maging updated ka po sa mga bagong online tips and tutorials na kagaya nito. Okay, ang una po nating gawin ay i-open po natin ang ating Google Play Store for Android users and App Store naman po for iPhone users. And then, search po natin yung Smart GigaLife. Okay, and then i-click po natin to. And then, install this application sa inyong phone. Okay, once na na-download na po natin ang ating Smart GigaLife, ay open na po natin tong application. And then, tap natin tong sign up. And maglagay po tayo dito ng ating mobile number, smart or token text. And then, mag-create po tayo ng password. 8 to 20 characters, at least one capital letter, A today, at least one lowercase letter, A today, at least one number, 0 to 9. Don't use these symbols. And no spaces. And kapag ito po guys ay green na po lahat, it means po na tama po yung ginawa nyo pong password. And then, click na natin tong sign up. And kunin nyo po yung PIN. Okay, kunin po natin yung ating one-time PIN. And dito naman po ay Smart App Terms and Conditions. And Privacy Policy. And then, i-check lang po natin itong dalawa na I accept Smart App Terms and Conditions and I acknowledge Smart App's Privacy Policy. And then, click Proceed. And sabi po dito ay, welcome to the Smart App. You just earned 10 gigapoints for signing up and 1 gigapoint equals 1 peso. Pwede nyo po i-set up ang inyong preferred way of logging in. You can change your settings in the profile page. Okay? So, pwede po gumamit ng fingerprint or MPIN. Skip po muna natin to. So, ayan guys, ang aking load ay 92 pesos and wala pa po akong active promo. I-open po natin tong ating messages. So, ayan, may matatanggap din po tayo na text messages from Smart App. Ang sabi po dito ay, you earned 10 gigapoints on your promo purchase. So, ito na nga po guys yung na-earned na 10 gigapoints for signing up. Okay, so ganun lang po guys mag-sign up or mag-register dito sa GigaLife. So hanggang dito na lang po itong video. Sana po ay nakatulong po ako sa inyo. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood. God bless and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!